Fire in the engine room.
Reported in the engine room, sir. Fire alarm is active. I repeat, fire reported in the engine room, sir. Fire alarm is active.
Alert the master immediately. Proceed for firefighting procedure. Crew in positions now.
This is officer of the watch. Fire reported in the engine room. I will notify the master. I repeat, this is officer of the watch. Fire reported in engine room. I will notify the master. Sir, we have a fire in the engine room. The crew is attempting to contain it, but it is spreading.
Understood. Go back to the bridge and instruct the crew to continue firefighting. I will monitor the situation.
Sir, the fire is spreading quickly. We can't handle it anymore. I repeat, the fire is spreading quickly and we can't handle it anymore.
Understood. Prepare for abandon. Inform the crew immediately. We need to get ready for evacuation. I repeat, prepared for abandonment. Inform the crew immediately. We need to get ready for evacuation.
Aye, sir, I will broadcast the distress and organize the crew.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Calapan, MB Calapan, MB Calapan. Call sign Charlie, Alpha, Lima, Alpha, Papa, Alpha, November. 03. MMSI 239567893. Latitude 80 decimal 23 decimal 3 north. Longitude 01 decimal 09 decimal 2 east. My vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. Over.